Welcome to the 2022 Home Improvement Edition of Annual Bad Dad Jokes.
This year we're taking tools, repairs, and home projects.
And poor decisions, for sure.
Mostly poor decisions.
Of course, they're kind of like every DIY project that starts with the words.
How hard can it be?
So I bought a drill. Here we go.
How did you like it?
It's boring.
I can't do this one. I got hit in the head with a tape measure.
Are you okay?
I'm still trying to gauge the situation.
No. What kind of shoes do builders wear?
What?
Concrete sneakers.
I used to hate facial hair.
And what's changed?
It grew on me.
No, put a fork in it. That was my joke. That's terrible. I bought a level.
How's it working?
It's keeping me balanced.
I don't know about that.
I know.
How many realtors does it take to change a light bulb?
How many?
One, but they'll call you an updated light fixture.
That should have been the fork in it. Why don't contractors tell secrets?
Why?
Too many leaks.
I installed a skylight.
Nice.
The people upstairs are furious, though.
Why did the hammer break up with the screwdriver?
Why?
It felt like the relationship was getting screwed up.
I bought a stud finder.
Oh, great. How's that working?
It keeps pointing at me.
I painted my whole house.
How long did it take?
The first coat was easy. The second coat was another story.
I started a business selling mirrors.
How's it going?
I can't really see myself doing it.
No, we have to actually think about that one. I told my wife I was going to remodel the bathroom myself.
How did that go?
Now we have an open floor plan.
I followed the furniture instructions exactly.
And?
Now I have a table.
Oh, that's good.
I was building a chair.
No, that was actually not funny at all.
What's...
Because you know this one.
Yeah, I know. What's a house favorite type of music?
What would that be? Do you dance with it?
House music.
I walked right into already? The grand finale?
Yep.
What's the best tool in a handyman's toolbox?
What?
A sense of humor. Because after DIY projects, that's all you've got left.
Wing.
Exactly.
Well, we hope you enjoy the Home Improvement Edition.
And if you're planning on any DIY projects,
read the instructions.
Trust us.
Happy Father's Day from Dean and Evans.
And remember, we're both
better realtors than comedians.
Much better.
It's not even close.
Happy Father's Day.